I'm gonna have at least 2 layers of cars, and I'm probably gonna stack them. The real secret is I'm gonna be using the engine block to stop it. That should give it more stopping power than just the side of the vehicle.
So far, Adam has 2 cinder block walls, 2 layers of stacked cars, and 3 pools full of water, all just to protect this Lamborghini from the tank shells.
What do you think the odds are that the Lambo survives?
That Lambo's mine, baby. We're gonna get it done.
But I wasn't about to go easy on him, so we brought in extra support for tomorrow.
Boys, bring him in!
Oh my gosh, Jimmy.
Now that we brought in 2 more tanks, the Lambo will be targeted from all sides.